Hi, and welcome to Higher English, your go-to channel for mastering business English. Today, we're going to look at some very useful phrasal verbs for planning and organizing. This lesson is perfect for A2 learners and above, especially for those who want to work on using phrasal verbs naturally in business. These are expressions you'll hear often at work, and using them will make you sound much more confident and professional in English. So let's get started. First, aim at. This means to direct your plan or effort towards something. A company aims at young professionals when launching a new app. They design everything, from the colors to the features, with that group in mind. Our marketing campaign is aimed at university graduates. Next, count on. This means to depend on someone or something. You're planning a conference. You count on your colleagues to prepare the invitations and book the speakers. Without them, it won't work. We can count on Julia to finish the report on time. Our next example is follow-up. This means to continue or check something after the first action. After a job interview, you follow up with an email to thank the interviewer. It shows professionalism. I need to follow up with the client after yesterday's call. Moving on, we have plan for. This means to prepare for something in the future. When organizing a team meeting, you plan for extra time in case the discussion goes longer than expected. We should plan for delays during the busy season. Next, we have run into. This means to meet a problem or a person unexpectedly. During a project, your team might run into technical problems that slow things down. We ran into some issues with the software update. Our next phrasal verb, set out. This means to begin something with a clear plan or intention. At the start of the year, your manager sets out the company's main goals. Everyone knows the direction. She set out her ideas clearly at the beginning of the presentation. Next, fit in. This means to be accepted or to work well within a group or plan. A new employee joins your team. At first they're quiet, but soon they fit in and become part of the team's culture. He fits in well with the rest of the department. And finally, rule out. This means to decide something is not possible or not suitable. When planning an event, you rule out an outdoor location if the weather forecast is bad. We can rule out Friday for the meeting because several people are away. So, those are 8 common phrasal verbs you can use when planning and organizing. They're not only practical, but they also make your English sound smoother and more professional. Try using 1 or 2 of these in your next meeting, email, or conversation, and you'll notice how much easier it is to explain your ideas clearly. My name's Craig. Thanks for watching Higher English, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.